How to sign up for your Bitcoin wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for your Bitcoin wallet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your app store to install bitcoin.com. So simply search for bitcoin.com, and after you search for it, hit enter, and this is the app that you want to install. After you install the app, open it up, and after you open it up, you will just get to this interface right here, and this is the starting interface. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you'll get the option to sign in. Now even if you do not have an account, if you tap on sign in, you will just create an account on the process. So you can sign in with your Apple, you can sign in with your Google, or you can sign in using your email address. So simply type in your email address, just link your account with your bitcoin.com, and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple to open or register a new Bitcoin wallet account. Now from here, you can simply head to the home page. You will check out this home page. You can check your funds. You can even check out new or market market values of your funds. And yeah, that is basically how you sign up for Bitcoin wallet, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.